Crafty Viddy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper origami ninja star. Don't forget that the materials are listed down in the description below, along with the links on where you can get them. Let's get started. To make this origami ninja star, you only need 2 pieces of origami paper. If you don't have origami paper, you can take 2 printer papers and cut them into squares. To start off, we only need 1 origami paper, so we can put this one to the side. The first step is to flip this over and fold this paper in half. Make sure to make it a nice sharp crease. Now we can open this up and fold each side to the center, like this. Now I'm going to fold this piece in half like this and make this a nice crease. After you do this, you have to fold this rectangle piece into half. Now we can open this back up. And we're going to take the left side and fold it downwards like this. And we're going to take the right side and fold it upwards like that. Now we have to do the same thing to this other piece of origami paper. Now for this piece, this time we're going to lift the left side upwards instead of downwards and fold it. And we're going to have the right side folded downwards. So it's the opposite of this piece. Now we're going to flip these pieces upside down, and we're going to take this flap and fold it this way and make it a nice sharp crease. We're going to do this side. And we're going to fold this way. And we will be doing the same thing for this one. Don't forget that whatever you do for this piece, you have to do the exact opposite for this piece. So this time I folded this flap over here and this flap over here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this flap, this triangle, and fold it inside like that. That a good crease. And we're going to take this flap and fold it this way. And we'll be doing the same thing to this piece. For our final step, we're going to be connecting these pieces together into a ninja star. I'm going to open up these flaps like this. And I'm going to take the piece on my right hand and flip it over and place it on the piece on my left hand, like this. Now I'm going to take this flap and insert it under this flap, like that. And I'm going to take this flap and insert it under this flap, like that. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to insert this flap under this flap. And I'm going to insert this flap under this one. And the last one might be a little tricky, but we can do it like that. And we're going to adjust it. Okay everyone, we are done with our paper origami ninja star. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crafty Viddy. I'll see you next time.